Hi, I'm Noel Garrett. I'm Dean of Academic Support and the Executive Director of the Academic Resource Center here at Connecticut College. And we are located on the second floor of Shane Library here on campus. This area we affectionately call our dog bone, and this is where the Academic Resource Center tutoring and all collaboration takes place. It also serves as an open study space anytime the library is open and tutoring is not going on. This next area over here is our Quantitative Skills Center, again where collaboration, tutoring, and then when it's not being used, it's open to students again when the library is open. So we want to make sure that students are aware that all of these spaces are open to them whenever the library is open. So we do have tutoring that takes place quite a bit, but it's not all the time. So anytime it's not being used, students are welcome to use it for whatever they want. Our Quantitative Skills Center is going to focus more on the mathematical side of courses, but that's also starting to creep into much more of the humanities side as well. As more research is being done, these fields are becoming more quantitative as well. So this next area is our Roth Writing Center. This is where our students will come with any issues they have with writing, from I don't understand the prompt to I'm working on my thesis, and then anything in between. We have this nice little cozy writing communication area here. It also serves as the waiting area for anybody who's coming to see a learning specialist or somebody inside the office. Another thing I wanted to just point out is we have these real big whiteboards here that can roam around. They're all on wheels. All the furniture is on wheels so that it can move in this area. We purposely did not put walls up to make sure that this is a big, wide open space so that everybody can sort of use it, collaborate, and then move the furniture around as they see fit. So beyond the collaboration spaces that we have out here and the tutoring spaces that we have out here, beyond the glass wall is where we have our exam center, as well as all of the professional staff that work to serve students throughout the academic year. Students can make appointments or just drop in to meet with anybody. The directors, the learning specialists, myself, we all meet with students on a regular basis. This space is our Office of Academic Support Exam Center. So any student who comes through Student Accessibility Service with exam accommodations can take their exams here. These desks here are for students who have distraction reduced and extended time, and if you look in the back there, we have those neat little pods that are for students who have private exam settings. We have our Bloomberg Finance Lab up here, which is for students who are interested in becoming certified in Bloomberg Market Concepts class or the Bloomberg Financial Fundamentals. We'll also give exams to students who might have athletic competitions that they're going to miss an exam, or students who might be sick and miss an exam, so a student can make arrangements with their faculty member to take their exam here. Well, thank you for taking the time to learn more about the Office of Academic Support and all the academic resources we provide to students on campus. Again, we're located on the second floor of Shane Library, which is right in the middle of campus. This is open to all students. We welcome everybody here. So we hope to see you.